Oh man, life has been crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie. Life has truthfully been lifing. It's been crazy, man. Trying to stay consistent and being on YouTube, trying to take this content creator, career path. Just trying to mainly stay consistent and stay focused and stay motivated. It's been real hard. I'm gonna be real with you. Like everybody's struggling. Well, I ain't gonna say everybody's struggling, but a lot of us, content creators were struggling, to stay consistent and stay with coming up, with topics and different videos to come out with. The algorithm is always changing. People needs and wants is always changing. Our minds is always changing. We want more. We want to do better. It's a lot, man. So I'm just making this video just to give you guys a short update on, what I'm doing and what's my plans for 2024, because a lot of stuff is about to change. Hopefully, like I'm praying that everything that I'm about to do is going to change my lifestyle and get me going. So hey, if you guys don't know me, my name is CJ. Go by CJ Brand here from St. Louis, Missouri. I'm 22 years old. It's kind of crazy, I look a little older, but hey, I'm 22, man. And yeah, I'm trying to do this content creator role, but it's kind of it's kind of getting hard. So bear with me, man. Just bear with me. So I started my YouTube journey a couple years ago. I'm gonna say maybe this is my third year, probably going on the fourth year. Probably been doing it for longer than I'm not for sure. I gotta actually go on my Instagram. I mean, dang, I had to go on my YouTube and actually check that out. And throughout the years, I normally have like them random bursts of creativity that comes through. I got a whole freaking notebook. Like I just bought me plenty of notebooks, plenty of planners. I plan my videos out, and then after they're planned, I don't record. It's kind of crazy. Or either I record, but I started getting lost in the sauce. I started talking my talk, and stuff just happens. I'm not somebody that can read the script at all. I hate writing scripts for my YouTube channel, but I think it's that time. I think I need to find somebody who can help me out, with writing scripts, even probably an editor soon in the near future, just so I can, plan more and also record more. If I can plan and record, that's all I got to do. I can send it off to my editors and send it off to my script writers. I think your boy would be okay. I ain't gonna lie to you. So that's that right now. That's where I'm sitting at right now with the content creator portion of it. It's just a matter of when, how, and why I ain't doing it. Now moving on to life, my lifestyle. Currently right now I'm working 2 jobs. Just trying to get some extra money in my pocket. I got big plans for 2024 to come around. Currently, I'm gonna say y'all know, for the people that actually know me, that are actually in St. Louis with me, I'm close friends. You guys know I went to college, did cybersecurity. I loved it for a small minute, but I kind of got the COVID situation happened. Once that that happened, we got out of school, they put everything online, and I was just like, yo, I can't do this online stuff. I need to go back and, on the campus in the classes, but tried that, stuff ain't the same. So I dropped out of college. It's kind of crazy. I said I was never going to be a college dropout, but hey, dropped out of college. I don't care. It is what it is. I had to do something different. So now I recently found this program on Google called, it's like a Google Cybersecurity certification program. So I'm going to be trying to do that. Right now it's like 8 courses. I'm on my 2nd course now. They says about 6 months, but you can obviously get it done faster because it is self-paced, self-taught. Sometimes, I guess, whatever they want to say it. Some people said they got it done in 4 days. Me personally, I think I'm gonna take a month and a half probably to go ahead and get through mine. I'm probably extend it for 2 months, because once I get this Google certification, I plan on moving, leaving out of St. Louis for one. I want to change the scenery. Right now I'm in my room, and in my room, for one, it's confined. There's no windows in here at all. Then on top of that, my YouTube setup is also in this basement with no windows. Like I have no windows at all, so I'm in the same environment. I'm limited to what I can do because we got these weird walls. I don't know if you can see them gray walls back there, but these are not like the normal house walls, I guess. So I can't really hang a lot of stuff on my walls. I was surprised these lights back here are even on the walls. Like that purple light is actually on like a thumbtack. Then the two little green lights back there, they actually are command strip to to the wall. Surprise is up there. It's crazy, but I'm not feeling it. I done painted this room. It used to be brown, but now it's gray. Now I'm not feeling the gray, so I'm like, you know what? Look, it's time for a change. I gotta, get my career. I gotta get some plans together. The content stuff, I love it. I truthfully love it, but like I said, you be here one day, next day you be over here, and it's just like, yo, it's crazy. And then my biggest problem too with it, I keep comparing my channel to people's channels that's been doing it for either years. Maybe some people have been doing it less than I've did it, but they have so much success. But I keep forgetting, the more I compare my channel to anybody else's, to somebody else's that has more than me, it puts me in a bigger bind because I'm like, dang, how can I get my channel to blow up like theirs? How can I achieve what they have? And in reality, I think it's all going to come down to me changing my scenery. In St. Louis, I love it here. Hometown, born and raised. All my family is here. But I think when 2024 comes, I think it's time for us to move to Texas. And it's either Houston or Dallas. I'm mainly, looking for Dallas just because the job market out there is great. I do plan on doing a full-time career in cybersecurity once I get done with this Google certification. I want to go get my Security Plus certification, then a whole bunch of other, tech stuff. That's what I really want to do because, deep down inside, I'm a real deal tech nerd. But, I just have, I don't know. Somebody out there got to relate to me. We want to do so much, but we struggle with, I guess we struggle with showing it, I guess. And I don't know. Maybe I got too many distractions. Something going on. Something's going on. But look, enough of that. I got this Sony FX30. And I like this camera a lot. I've been meaning to make a video for you guys about this camera, just going over the review of it. And then also this lens right here. This is from Suray. I made one video about it, just talking about the the review before I got it. But I need to make a very detailed video about both of these. These I make this is another one of my problems. I make videos. I don't like it after I hear how I'm talking. And I just we're going to scrap the whole idea. We'll just do it again another day. That another day never comes. It never comes. I got so much footage, in my opinion, from both of these products that I can share with you guys, but it's just a matter of sitting down, talking about it, and actually, planning it right. So we're going to do something very soon, man. I got to. I just got a lot of stuff on my plate right now. I got a lot of plans. I got a lot of ideas. 2024 is literally 2 days away. Today is the 30th of December. We are 2 days away from freaking 2024, and I got a game plan for the life, but I got to get a game plan for this content, the content creator, portion as well. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's a lot, man. We done been through, hell and back in 2023. I helped found a gaming company here in St. Louis that fell apart. The gaming center is still open, but that just fell apart with me working there and me helping them do what was needed. So I maybe we may renew talks with them soon, just because I know that there's a lot of potential behind that. And my brain is big. When I tell you I got so many business ideas for it has been my damn tongue, but damn. But I got so many business ideas for multiple businesses, why there's a clothing brand, the content creator stuff, a gaming center, businesses in general, any type of physical business, shoe stores, it doesn't matter. My thing is this: I love making content for other people. It's just when it comes down to making content for myself, I struggle with that. Struggle with that at the most. It's crazy. It's so crazy, man. I just I don't know why the hell my mouth watering so much when I talk. It's kind of crazy, yo. I'm gonna play. Look, got a whole water fountain in my mouth. I'm wait a minute, boy, I got too much saliva coming up, man. But hey, let me know what y'all think. Y'all think I should make that jump though from St. Louis to Texas? I know the benefits in me leaving here and going to Texas. Like I said, the main thing for me is that scenery change. But then the second thing is definitely going to be the job market down there compared to St. Louis to Texas. Texas is whew, is big. So I just know I'd be able to find me a job out there that's not, where I won't be stuck making this. Like right now in St. Louis, I'm in this median range of making between 40 to 50, maybe $60,000 a year. Those are really, pretty much the jobs that I personally can qualify for with what I have as of today. But if I take myself and go to Texas, I know that I can land me a job that's making 80 to six figures easily. And the reason why I say easily is because I've applied for jobs out there, and they're accepting it. They're wanting to do the interviews, but I'm like, well, I can't do an interview because I don't have a game plan. But now, it's crazy. Now we got the game plan somewhat, but yeah. I think that pretty much sums up everything that's really been going on. Like I said, I'm just trying my best to figure out how can I be consistent on YouTube. We bought the FX30 because I thought the FX30 was going to help me, make more YouTube videos. But in reality, I hate APS-C cameras. So that defeated the purpose. So I am going to be sending this FX30 back very soon. Planning on probably getting a Canon R8. This to pair it up with the R5. But then again, I don't know. I may just keep the R5 and call it a day because every time I get two cameras, I'd be like, oh, I need two cameras, and then I get the second camera, and then it's either I don't use both cameras. Truthfully, I don't have a reason to use two cameras for my YouTube channel unless I'm strictly doing unboxings. But that that's a whole different situation. But yeah, man, I don't know. We did drop some content though recently on our page on Instagram. If you guys haven't followed me yet, follow me on there at CJ Brand. All my social media, there you go. All my social medias are going to be at CJ Brand. So make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on there. We bought some more beats. So, we got us a nice little reel or whatever. I thought it was pretty cool. But this is what I was talking about. This is stuff I be struggling with, trying to stay consistent, with dropping content like this and actually editing content like this. But I am kind of finding out that these videos right here, my talking heads, are a little bit better, when it comes down to performance rather than, me showing unboxings, because you've seen that unboxing of those beats, but this was the very first one. Yeah, I just gotta go check it out. This one right here was it was just boring. Like, this was just so freaking boring, but I was mad. I had sent these beats back because at the time I didn't really need the beats, but now I'm just like, you know what, hey, they on sale again, let's buy them for $179. So yeah, but this one right here was a little bit way better, so I was messing with that. But hey, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. It's 11:51 a.m. for me. I gotta go do a quick client shoot at 1:30. So we about to go in and prep the car. It's gonna be like a fashion show for models here in St. Louis. Her name is Savvy, the creator. Pretty much, I believe it's like a model refresh. So they're gonna be talking about mental health for models, teaching models how to walk the proper way, and then also probably like guiding them on what to really do. I'll be going there to film some interviews and just some models walking, just to help them get some pointers and build social media presence up for everybody in general. So yeah, your boy be busy a little bit, but not that much where I should I don't even know where I was going with it. I be busy, but I don't be busy, if that makes any type of sense. So, but yeah, man. So we gonna do another one of these. I need to start, doing my vlogs back on the channel. Like I said, I bought another camera for the vlogs, but this is an APS-C camera, and I got a 33mm lens for $299 for one. The camera cost me $1,600. Kind of crazy, but yeah. That's that. So we're gonna catch you guys in the next video. So peace.